Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the Shopee F00 error on your laptop very easily. Try these steps one by one until it works. First, start by fixing your browser. Open the browser settings, clear the cache and cookies, close the browser completely, and then open it again. This often solves the error. If that doesn't work, try opening Shopee in a private or incognito window. You can also test a different browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox to see if it helps. Check your checkout settings next. Remove any vouchers you applied and try a different payment method. Many F00 errors happen because of vouchers or payment conflicts. You can also try changing your internet connection, switch to another Wi-Fi, or use your phone's hotspot because sometimes the network causes the error. Refreshing your Shopee account can help too. Log out, then log back in, or try doing the same action on another device. Make sure your browser is up to date, update it to the latest version, or reinstall it if needed. Sometimes the problem comes from Shopee itself. If nothing works, wait a while and try again later, especially during busy sale times. Finally, if the error still won't go away, contact Shopee support. Send them a message with a screenshot of the F00 errors so they can check your account. That's it. Try these steps one by one and the error should be fixed. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, ask me in the comments. If you found this helpful, drop a like and subscribe. See you next video.